Hey guys, welcome back. And I 3D printed a crocodile. See? And it has 4 spikes, has eyes, it has these teensy ears, and it has claws. And it can walk. Whoa, buddy, no slippy. See, it can walk. And then you can even kill it or punch it. And you can flick it. And it can poke you. No, its claws are actually pretty sharp. They're sharper than the claws. The claws on its foot are actually sharper than the pointies because they blunted it out. And you can uppercut, and then you can punch it ears, and then you can you can roll it. You can roll it, and can poke you with its feet. Poke, 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 poke. Poke. And then it gets mad at you and it keeps poking. And then you punch him. Yeah, bye.